Hello everyone, good morning. Flexing to you one of the latest condominium project here in downtown Cagayan de Oro City. Very strategically located at Kauzwagan, Cagayan de Oro, the most booming and progressive barangay here in CDO. Guys, I am referring to Astra Condominium, a quality project of Bria Homes. Okay, so for now guys, we have one ready for occupancy unit, which you may take the opportunity of having it, and we have a lot of pre-selling units available for reservation. So this will be your best rental investment here in downtown CDO, given that the location itself is very strategic, surrounded with different establishments like malls, schools, churches, and a lot of commercial establishments. So therefore, rental can be the best business you can have here in Kauzwagan, Cagayan de Oro. So guys, grab the chance of owning one of the pre-selling units here at Astra Condominium. This is it guys. We have 4 buildings now. Okay. So one good thing about Astra is that the location itself is very silent and very peaceful. So guys, grab the chance now. Call me at my mobile number 0917 412 9399. Thank you.